Today we're going to be examining some of the online offerings of the LRC. Just because you can't make it to the OC campus doesn't mean that you can't get use out of the campus library. Many of the resources that would normally be available in person can also be accessed via the LRC website. To get to the LRC website, start on the Odessa College homepage at odessa.edu. Scroll down to the portion of the page that says Links. Then select the LRC. It's about halfway down the right column. The LRC homepage is where you will be able to access most of the online resources that the LRC offers. A great place to start is the OC Virtual Library Center. The link to the Virtual Library Center can be found right here. To access the Virtual Library Center, simply type in your name to join the session as guest. This will take you straight to the waiting room. From here, click on the purple arrow in the bottom right corner that says Open Collaborate Panel. Now you can go ahead and enter your request. Your request will be sent to an appropriate staff member who can assist you further. If there's a book or an article that you need, you can have that resource sent directly to your home by filling out a distance learning material request form. The form can be found on the LRC homepage. Scroll down and select Virtual Library Resources. The request form is easy to find. It's the only option. Just fill in the information and your materials will be sent to you in about a week. But you may not need to wait for snail mail, especially if the book is available via OC's SuperSearch. SuperSearch is going to pull peer-reviewed journal articles, ebooks, streaming videos or lectures, all without having to mess with paywalls, because many of those materials already exist within the LRC's collection. SuperSearch can be found here on the LRC's homepage. SuperSearch can be used to find a variety of different resources. Let's say you wanted to search for research materials on tulips. SuperSearch had 186,000 hits. Some of these are works of fiction, some are encyclopedia articles, and some are horticulture and botany articles. If you would like to refine the search to eliminate unwanted materials, scroll down to the Filter tabs. Here, you can limit your search to only search results that include the full text, only peer-reviewed journal articles, or resources that are physically available in the LRC. Here you can change the publication date of the search. You can use this to eliminate outdated materials from your search. Further down, you can limit by publication type. This way, if you're looking specifically for ebooks, you can filter out everything that isn't an ebook. That reduced our search results to 18,000. A much more reasonable amount of search hits to sift through. You can also use the advanced search function to eliminate unwanted search results. Let's say you are interested in researching the economic crisis caused by Dutch tulip mania. Changing the search parameters to include economics and exclude flowers leaves us with only 7,000 results. So as you scroll through to find a source that you want to look at, simply click on it. Here, you will be able to email the document to yourself, save or export the document. When planning to use a link to return to this page, make sure that you do it by creating a permalink. This is the link that you need to copy and paste. If you use the one in your address bar, it's not going to work. You can also download the material. You can scan this QR code to take you directly to the SuperSearch page. But sometimes, even SuperSearch may not be able to find what you're looking for. In those instances, the Interlibrary Loan program can help. This can give you access to books and articles that are not in our collection, but are in the collections of one of the hundreds of different libraries that we are partnered with. Let's go back to our tulip search. Sometimes it will produce results that say that you can request the item through Interlibrary Loan. Just fill in your information, and the librarians at the LRC will process it. It usually takes a few weeks to get physical materials in. If you can't make it to the LRC, check with your local library to see if they participate in the Interlibrary Loan program. Another helpful resource are library guides or LibGuides. You can find them at odessa.edu/library. odessa.libguides.com. These cover a variety of different topics, from career and employment advice to tips on writing a research paper. All of these are prepared by LRC staff, so if you have questions about anything in a guide, feel free to reach out. You can get directly to the LibGuides page by scanning this QR code. Of course, another resource that we offer are a variety of recorded workshops, just like this one. These workshops cover a variety of topics, from general skills, like note-taking or test prep, to more specific topics, like MLA or APA formatting. The playlist for all recorded workshops can be found on the Odessa College YouTube page. This QR code will take you straight to the playlist. Thank you for watching this Odessa College academic workshop. Workshops are presented by the Academic Success Workshop. For more information on future workshops, or to request a topic for a future workshop, please contact us at lrc@odessa.edu.